Hi, I was invited to give us uh, a speech, right, on the is with for University of Malaya Engineering Festival. Yeah, Engineering Festival. So I was like, what to talk about it, right? From 2 to 5:30. Ah, yeah, 2 to 5:30. So engineering, right? So engineering like to calculate, right? So yeah, we are very calculative, right? So how calculative is that, right? So let's say, um, right, let's just put it here. Okay, um, let's say a person order a 9-inch pizza. After a while, the waiter bought two 5-inch pizza. Hey, that's 9-inch and this 5-inch, right? Two 5-inch pizza. I say you know what, sir? 9-inch pizza was not available, and he was giving me two 5-inch pizza. So 9-inch, 5-inch, and then I'm getting 1 inch more for free. 1 inch more for free. The Hey, you get 1 inch more for free, you know. And then I requested the waiter to call the owner. Hey, this is something, something, something not logic, right? Isn't that? It's like ah, 9 inch, uh, 1 inch more free, 1 inch more free. Okay, so pause this video, right? So now I want to think about it. Hey, why is it that why is it the person want to request the waiter to call for the order? Yeah, yeah, just pause this video, right? Think about it. Why? Ah, okay. I guess you have hey, um, so an inch for an inch, right? So it's like, but I order 9 inch. Why? Come on, engineer, right? This is engineer fees, right? So, fast. So, okay. So you want the answer, right? So let's look at the now. That's because that oops. I think you know that, right? So you see that. First of all, let's learn some basic of maths, right? So this is a circle and it's a pizza. So next time, you can demonstrate your what your genius. Right? Actually, everyone's a genius, right? It's just that. So you always bring your girlfriend or boyfriend to a pizza store shop, right? So you order pizza and then you can explain these radius and diameters thing, right? So when you cut a piece, you tell them, now I'm cutting a piece. Now when I cut into the center, and this is called a radius. If I cut half until the end here, is called a diameter. A diameter, right, is the whole thing, diameter, and right in the center is the height. And since I and you, well, we share half and half, right? So you take half, I take half, right? So same thing, right? We want to form a family. You take half, I take half, right? You take half of what? Half of the burden of the family or the happiness of the family. I also take half of the burdens of the family and take half the burden. And then your girlfriend or boyfriend look at you like, wait, are we eating pizza or we are talking about beauty family? And guess what? If the person left you, it's okay. It's okay because you better break up now than you break up later because now you have a lot of divorce case, right? So good. So now you know that this is by eating a pizza, you can filter out which are the no good boyfriend, no good girlfriend, right? So, but wait, let's come back to our mathematic, right? So, a mathematic, now you can just key into your say that now just now the question is 9 inch, right? So the 9 inch pizza, right? So what is the radius of this pizza? If this pizza is 9 inch, what is the radius? Guess the radius is it 9? Okay, and then what is the area? So the area is the pi uh up to the power of 2, right? So how do you say 2 power of 2? So you can take this value here and then you take the S, this mark here and put 2, and you get become 81, right? So 81. So now you got to times one more thing, is that the pi. Do you remember what is the number of the pi? Well, of course I don't remember, right? So Albert Einstein say, is it Albert Einstein says that that you don't need to. Let me just read it, right? So I happens to have a book on this on about memory. So Albert Einstein says that but this one is in Chinese, right? See if you can understand this, right? 我从来，爱因斯坦说，我从来不记在词典上已经印有的东西。我的记忆力是运用来记忆书本上还没有的东西。So what it says that Albert Einstein say maybe Albert Einstein says that right, he don't use his memory to remember things that is recorded in a book or in a dictionary, or he use his memory on to memorize things that is not exist yet. Okay, so that is what Albert Einstein says. So now, okay. So what is the pi? Well, you need to remember at least one thing. It's called the pi, P-I, pi, right? And then times this, and you get 254. But wait, this person, oh no, not really here. So is it 9 inch? The radius is 9 inch? No, it's actually half of it, because the radius is the radius. The 9 inch pizza is actually talking about the diameter, right? So the diameter is 9 inch, but the radius is half of it. So half of it will be, you got it, 4.5. So 4.5, right, is the area. So 63. So the person is asking a 9 inch, okay, a 9 inch pizza. So now, if you give them a 5 inch pizza, right? 5 inch pizza. So, what is the, okay, so now pause this video again, right? So calculate what is the 5 inch pizza area, right? So pause this video right now. Yes, right. So do you still remember what is the Excel formula we talk about? Engineers, right? Excellent, right? So, all right. So 5 inch. So 5 inch, right? So same thing. Just put it here. The 5 inch is so half of it will be 2.5. Okay, and then what is the area? Again, you use the pi times this value here, power of 2, and enter. So it's 19. Okay, so 19, yeah. Now you say, but I give you two. I give you two. Okay. So you get me 2, and does it equivalent to the area? Let's take a look. It's 39. My dear friend, it's 39. So you give me 2 is 39. So how about give me 3? No, even 3 is not equivalent to 9 inch. Oh no, now you know why this person says that. You give me, I want to request the waiter to call the owner, right? Call the owner. Give me the number, please, right, waiters? And now, ladies and gentlemen, you have a very, very fun light, right? So let's look at the pizza, right? So why is that so? Like you can see that here, a 10 inch, yeah, for small size, only one person. 12 inch, right? So these are all just some idea, right? But the thing is that you can actually, now you know why you want to study in maths, right? And in fact, one genius says that you can put the pi, pizza, right? It's a pizza, right? So you put the pi and then times z. Z is the radius, and then and you times 2 times. So when you 2 times 2 times, and then you also need to times the a. A is actually the depth, right? So the depth. So this is really a what? Genius, right? Because you not only calculate the pizza, but also the depth of it, right? So I hope that it helps you to understand some Excel function, which is very interesting, and it's just so too interesting, right? It makes me feel like I want to buy a pizza, which is the 9 inch, or the 10 inch, not 2 too small pizza, right? So, and because that if you do that, you actually at a losing, and it's lose, and this is so much, right? It's so much, not even half of it. So that's because they cut off the area there, right? So yeah, very very interesting. Thank you for watching. I and thank you, thank you. Very interesting.